Discover the perfect balance of performance and price with our top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras. Whether you're a beginner stepping into photography or a content creator looking for high-quality shots without breaking the bank, these cameras deliver impressive image quality, versatility, and modern features at an affordable cost. Let's dive into the list and find the perfect match for your creative needs. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera RFS 18-45mm f4.5-6.3 is STM lens kit, 24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor, 4K video, RF mount, black. The Canon EOS R100 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera designed to deliver professional-level results without the complexity. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and Canon's Digic 8 image processor, it produces sharp, vibrant images with excellent detail and color accuracy. Paired with the RFS 18-45mm f4.5-6.3 IS STM lens, this kit offers versatility for everyday shooting, from wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits. The STM motor ensures smooth, quiet autofocus ideal for both photography and video. This camera supports 4K video recording at up to 24 frames per second, giving you cinematic quality for your creative projects. Full HD at 60 frames per second is available for smooth motion, and the dual-pixel CMOS AF system ensures fast and precise focus tracking, even in challenging lighting conditions. The RF mount is compatible with a growing range of Canon RF and RFS lenses, giving you flexibility to expand your gear over time. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel or everyday carry, and the intuitive menu system is easy to navigate for both beginners and experienced shooters. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow for instant photo transfer to your smartphone or tablet via the Canon Camera Connect app, making it simple to share your shots on the go. The optical image stabilization in the lens helps reduce blur caused by camera shake, particularly useful in low-light environments. Number 2. Sony a7 III ALCE7M3/B full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera with 3-inch LCD, body-only base configuration black. The Sony a7 III is a highly capable full-frame mirrorless camera built for photographers and videographers who demand exceptional performance in a wide range of shooting conditions. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated exmor or CMOS sensor and the Bionz X image processor, it delivers outstanding image quality with excellent dynamic range, low noise, and accurate color reproduction. The camera's 693-point phase detection autofocus system covers 93% of the frame, ensuring fast, precise focusing and subject tracking, even in challenging low-light situations. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization compensates for camera shake, allowing for sharper images when shooting handheld in low light or with telephoto lenses. The 3-inch tilting LCD touchscreen offers intuitive control and flexible framing options, while the high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder ensures a clear, detailed preview of your shot. Dual SD card slots allow for overflow, backup, or separate RAW and JPEG storage, offering flexibility for different workflows. Built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth make it simple to transfer images wirelessly or control the camera remotely via the Imaging Edge mobile app. With its combination of professional-level performance, advanced autofocus, and excellent video capabilities, the Sony a7 III remains a top choice for creators looking for a reliable full-frame camera that excels in virtually any situation. Number 3. Nikon Z52 with 2 lenses, compact mirrorless still/video camera with easy color presets and wireless photo sharing, Nikon USA model. The Nikon Z52 is a compact and versatile mirrorless camera designed for photographers and content creators seeking excellent image quality in a portable package. It features a 20.9 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with Nikon's advanced X7 image processor, delivering sharp, detailed images with rich colors and impressive low-light performance. The included 2-lens kit provides flexibility for a wide variety of shooting scenarios, from sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits, ensuring you're ready for any subject. The camera supports 4K UHD video recording at 30 frames per second with no crop, allowing for wide-angle coverage and cinematic quality. Full HD video is available up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion effects. Its hybrid autofocus system combines 209 on-sensor phase detection points with contrast detection AF, offering fast, accurate focus acquisition. Eye detection AF for humans and animals ensures portraits are always tack sharp. Compact and lightweight, the Z52 is ideal for travel and everyday carry. The ergonomic grip and intuitive control layout make it comfortable for extended shooting sessions. Its tilting touchscreen LCD can be flipped for vlogging or self-portraits, and the high-resolution electronic viewfinder provides a clear, detailed view of your scene. Number 4. OM System Olympus OM1 Mark II Micro Four Thirds System Camera 20MP BSA Stack Sensor Weather Sealed Design, US Manufacturer Warranty. The OM System Olympus OM1 Mark II is a professional-grade Micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera designed to deliver exceptional performance in a compact and weather-sealed body. It features a 20-megapixel BSI stack sensor paired with the TruePic X processor, providing outstanding image quality, high-speed performance, and excellent low-light capability. This sensor and processor combination enables rapid readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter effects and allowing for advanced shooting modes. Its autofocus system offers 1053 cross-type phase detection points covering the entire image area, delivering fast and accurate subject tracking for both stills and video. The camera excels at burst shooting, with blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 120 frames per second, making it perfect for action, wildlife, and sports photography. Video capabilities include 4K recording at 60p with high bit rates, ensuring detailed, smooth footage. OM-Log and HLG profiles are supported for greater flexibility in color grading, while the camera's advanced image stabilization system, rated up to 8 stops, allows for incredibly steady handheld shooting, even with telephoto lenses or in low light. The rugged magnesium alloy body is fully weather-sealed, protecting it from dust, moisture, and freezing temperatures, making it reliable for outdoor adventures. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder provides a bright, detailed preview, and the fully articulating LCD touchscreen offers flexibility for various shooting angles. Number 5. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera RFS 18-45mm f4.5-6.3 is STM Lens Kit, 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, 4K video, hybrid camera, photo and video, vlogging, content creator, RF mount, black. The Canon EOS R50 is a versatile and compact mirrorless camera tailored for content creators, vloggers, and photographers seeking high-quality results without heavy gear. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic X image processor, producing vibrant, detailed images with excellent low-light performance. Paired with the RFS 18-45mm f4.5-6.3 IS STM lens, it offers flexibility for a range of shooting situations, from landscapes to portraits. This camera captures oversampled 4K video at 30 frames per second with no crop, delivering sharp, cinematic footage. Full HD is available up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion shots. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system offers fast and accurate autofocus with subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring sharp results even when subjects are in motion. Lightweight and easy to handle, the EOS R50 is perfect for travel and on-the-go shooting. The fully articulating vari-angle touchscreen makes it ideal for vlogging, selfies, and creative shooting angles. Built-in optical image stabilization in the lens helps reduce blur from camera shake, while electronic stabilization further enhances handheld video stability. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless pairing with the Canon Camera Connect app, allowing for instant image transfers and remote camera control. The intuitive interface and guided user modes make it beginner-friendly, while advanced controls offer room to grow for more experienced shooters. Those were our top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to capture amazing photos and videos. Each option offers outstanding value and performance for its price. Check out the links in the description to learn more or grab yours today, and keep creating those unforgettable moments with the perfect camera in hand.